What is up, trading family? So as you know, I've been trading US30 for the past 3 weeks, 2-3 weeks or so, and now I'm wanting to onboard NAS and gold. So today was the first day running demo, full day, focused on NAS and gold and US30 on the same account, and I want to share the results. The results are quite interesting. So early on, if you look at this graph here, you can see we just tanked. We went down to almost blowing the FTMO demo account. Thank goodness, because I believe they only give you an account every 15 days or so like that. So I didn't want to have to start all over. But the reason for this drop was because early on, when I opened up the auto trader and slapped it on gold, I was, for one, my lots were off. The base settings, it was completely off. I was set up for 4 standards, etc. So I was taking huge hits, 1,500, 800, another one here, 1,000. Even though I dropped the lot sizes, 2 lots was still too high. So I went down to standard lots. So right off the bat, turning it on the minute one was a mistake. Didn't need to turn it on the minute one at that time. Just needed it on all the other time frames, 5, 15, and 30 during market open. And then as the market tend to smooth out and direction was chosen is when I enabled gold again and NAS100 on the 1 minute. But gold completely just destroyed the account. It did not do well right off the bat. I'm talking canned settings, without changing anything. But what's quite interesting, when you look at it here, gold, it was responsible for $5,700 of the total losses for today on demo, whereas US30 and NAS were of the equivalent, totaling $5,600. So usually, as you all know, I'm averaging out about $3 grand, 3,500, anywhere between 2,500 and $4 grand a day. And I was wondering if I could do the same numbers with US30. I'm sorry, with NAS100. And take a look, I'm doing $2,600 today on demo. That's after, that's also counting the losses that I took during the opening of the market and just getting things calibrated, if you will. So this is amazing. This means that I can, in an ideal situation, I can do the same numbers I do on US30 on NAS. And if you notice that total short positions one was still 76%. We were in a downward trend overall today. So yeah, 76%. Even if you were counter trending, I was about 58%, still above 50%, which is still good. If you take a look here, the losses, actually, I want to show you, the consecutive wins, 19 consecutive wins. Is that accurate? I don't know. I think it counts the take partials. If you're in one trade and you're taking partials 4 times, those are 4 trades won if you take partials in profit. So this is amazing. If you could take a look on the graph, gold, definitely it's a problem. And I may not enable it yet. We're going to figure out what we need to do to enable it because I'm going to get gold running guaranteed. But for sure, NAS100 is the runner-up, and that's what's going to be going first. It's just, once again, amazing that I was down $5,700 on or close to blowing out the account, $9,500, $95,500 on the account, and then I brought it back up to over the 100K. The initial balance. So that's great. I'm good with that. And that's all because after calibrating and things were running, things started to run very smooth. So this is a very good sign. Peace.